Hi, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw the category part. Okay, so here we have display the category and everything. Now I'm going to register the category. So I'm going to register category which is a TV, right? Okay, so here we have a true, so which is true. I'm going to status true. Click register button. Let me see whether the record is added. Yeah, record is added successfully. It will be successfully view on the table. Okay, now I'm going to register another category which is a chair, right? Select as row, click register button. Now hit register successfully, right? Now we have registered two categories, right? We have registered two categories, right? So it's simply we have registered two categories, but here what you're going to do is we have done the category, we have to add and view. I need to do the edit part as well, but how to edit the record, right? Now what you're going to go back to my project. So here we have a page with a edit blade. Here's a create blade. This is how we have create the records, right? So we have create the record. So we have here, not create blade, the index blade here, right? The create blade we have not doing anything else. Okay, so here we have done two things in here. Index.blade which we have a view page and add record and view record. We have edit page as well. Edit page also we need only this fields only. So I'm going to get the edit page. I'll be explain, don't worry. This all source code I provide you, don't worry about that. So we have don't worry, rather than teach it, rather than doing, so it's simple. So background color we will change it here. Let me change it here as well. The background color, this color is fine for us. Let's say this color is so fine. Okay, so this color is so fine. I'm interested in this color, right? So simple. If you like, you can have it the blue, no problem. So this is interesting. If you want to change the color, you will be able to change. So here, if you want to change any other color, you will be able to change it, right? So I just keep this color, right? So if you want to keep that color, don't worry. So that if you have keep this color, so perfect. Now what you're going to do is here, char TV, and we have added successfully. Now let's, right? So now what you're going to do is I'm going to here, this is the simple style we have written in the page area. You can see here we haven't explained this style. We have done the external style for this form design. So here this form area, padding 20, padding margin top 20, background color we have set it over here. This form area mean we have given the form area over here, this div. We have this div starting here, close it here. Right, this is the form area. We have style it the give, right? Your background color, this is the padding, this is the margin we have gave to design it. Here this simple form we have designed, right? This style we don't need them, only the form area we have styling, right? So here we have to save it all here to bring back to the application here. That is nothing here, only this design only. Okay, so after that we have done it the edit part. So edit part also we have a simple form, the edit form, right? So we have no need this two things, only the here this what's the stuff I have did it here, the simple this form I just copied from here to here, the simple form. The trading we no need of table, right? So here we have a simple form design. So here this is the heading category edit, right? Now here what I did here is here we have a post method. Okay, it goes to the here we have right here. When you click edit button, what happen is here if you click the edit button, it goes to along with the ID, right? It goes to that along with the ID, right? So here this ID should there, right? So ID should be coming. So ID should be coming. So mean that particular ID, editable ID should be goes to this page. Which page? Edit.blade.page, this page. So here we are retrieving the records. Okay, where what is the ID record is coming here, it will be passing to the ID matching value will be passing to this form. Right, status should be selected. If it is coming here, okay, so what is the ID you are coming here? If you are selected here, if you are selected this one, the ID should be 1. It will be the TV, this record will be passing to the editable form, right? Okay, so editable form, we are receiving this form records here. Category dot cat, this one. So here status. Status also we have a, that is a not a input field, that is a selection. So we have to select like this. The value if is coming one, status should be one, if it select as true. If it is two, it will be select as false. Okay, if the what the status coming here is one, select as true. If it is two, select as false. These are the based on the status coming, the value will be selected. Okay, it's true or false. It depends on the status. If it is one, select as true. If the status coming as two, it will select as false. That's how we have treated here, right? We are that's how we have written here. Okay, that's the thing you have did it here. Right. Now what I'm going to do is, this is a form design. So what I did is, once you make the changes, you click submit button, update button, it goes to the we are category, category, this is a category here, we have a routes, okay, we have routes, we have a, if you are write like this, resources mean the entire CRUD application, we have to implement the resources. Okay, so we no need to write get post method. If you write get resources me, it will be handling take care of all the CRUD operations, right? Now it goes to here category. Here we have a at the edit part as well. So okay, edit part we have to so go to here. I'm going to get this one. Edit part only in Laravel we have a two method. One is a receiving the record. Okay, here what happened is here. What I did here is, here you can see here. If you click on this edit button, this ID should be goes to where, here you can see, go to here, where's my index page here. If you click the edit button, what happens is it's calling the route category edit. Okay, what is the ID, the matching ID, the selected record matching ID, right? The selected record matching ID, so that you have category ID calling, it goes to the route which is a category edit. It goes to here, it getting the respective ID. What's the ID, what is the record you are selected, the particular ID will be passing to here. It is finding, there is a method call in my ORM tool of Laravel, that is a find method, which will be finding the record through this model. This model we have to implement the object here through this model. Finding the appropriate record, it will be the ID matching value should be returning to the category.edit page. Category.edit page. So edit page means category.edit page. Right? So let's file save all. Bring back to the application, refresh it because it's not refresh it automatically. Click edit button here. ID matching value will be passing here successfully here. This chart, it is passing successfully here. It's passing successfully. After that, what I did here is, once you make the changes for TV, here we have TV, have a TV, what we have write some here, TV, we have write like this, TV or radio, category we now change it as radio. Okay, status I'm going to make it as false. If you click update button, record should be updated. So update mean, how to handle this one is, say update page, the value will be coming here, selected here. Once you make the changes, click update value, this goes to the route category update, right, along with the ID. So it goes to here. Here this time the request plus ID will be coming. Request plus ID mean here, this is the all the page values plus this value, this ID. It's coming to here, right? First we are finding the appropriate ID. After that, what are the changes you are made, right? So this request. Okay, so it's finding the ID. After that, this category update, there is a, in ORM tool, there's a method update. Array merge, you have to call this function. So we have write category array, this is the record is coming like an array. So request means this request, the request are coming here. If you call the update method, record should be updated. After that, it redirect to which page? Category page. Right? That's how we have did it here. Right? Category dot here index page. Category dot index page. After update the record, it will be category dot index page dot index. So Control S to save all. Now let's bring back to the application, refresh them. I'm going to make the changes as radio. This one as false. Save all. Right, what's the problem? Category dot index. Whether let me check it whether it's here. It will be changed it successfully, but why it's not? The problem is the edit button. So here the problem here, you have to call it this one. Return redirect category, which is a, we have to after update, after your record has been updated, we have to redirect to the category. Category mean category folder. So in the category folder, we have a splash message. Okay, so your category folder, it will redirect. Category mean it will be, if you redirect the category mean it will redirect to a category index page. So here, if you write the code like this, simply. Now let's file save all and bring back to the application, check it. Now you have to refresh it. Now you have to write it here TV again. I'm going to change it as a false. Update. Now here it's redirected successfully. If it's a char, you have to write the chars. Update. Here it redirected successfully. Perfect. It's working perfect. Right? So here your category part is working perfect. Right. Now I'm going to make a delete section. Once you click delete button, record need to be deleted. Right? So here what I did here is, so here we have a destroy method. Let's call it destroy method. Right. Now here we have to go to the flow. Right. So where the flow, we are index.blade.php. We have to implement the delete button. Delete button. So here form, here this is the button. This is CSRF token. This is must. Whether you are the actual user or not, it will be checking the CSRF token. Here delete, they are implement the delete method. Here delete. Once you click the delete button, it goes to the route category route destroy method along with the ID. So it goes to directly the we are here. It's coming to here, get the ID, find the appropriate record. There is a method called delete, right? In Laravel delete, redirect to the category. That's the thing we have did. Now we are already saved. Now let's refresh them. I want to delete this one. Click delete button. Here, record has been deleted. Perfect. We have did the category part, entire category part. We have done successfully well. I hope you guys you understood things. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.